Hello?
Yes, hello, Papa Jackson.
Hi, good morning. Are you calling from the Philippines?
Yeah, from the Philippines, from Pasig City, De Castro.
Bakit parang yung parang ka nasa loob ng transistor radio? Naka ano ka ba? Naka
About this
headset?
po.
Naka headset ka ba?
I'm on a loudspeaker po.
Please don't. Handheld lang tayo.
About this po.
And hello?
Yes, hello.
And that's so much better. Ayan. Speak louder na lang pare ko ha. What's your name?
My name is Baste.
Baste. I'll call you Baste this morning. Ilan taon na si Baste?
40.
40. And you're calling from where?
Pasig City.
Pasig City. Okay. Anong oras na sa Pasig ngayon?
It's 1:30. It's 1:30 in the morning.
Pareho lang dito. Ano ba yan? Anyways, si Baste ay ang ginagawa sa buhay?
Working po sa BGC, call center.
Ano po?
Working po sa BGC, call center agent.
Call center. Mahirap yung work mo, no? Medyo
Yes po.
very routinary. Kaya alam mo, kaya malaki feldo dyan kasi makukonsume ka eh. No? Galing ako dyan sa industry na yan eh. So I understand.
Gamit na gamit po.
Well, compensated naman. So kapag nandiyan ka sa industry na yan, dapat meron kang activity on your own. You run, you go to the gym, you paint, you do pottery, you ride your motorcycle. There has to be something else you do other than the work.
Yes po. I do have some alternatives para ma-remove yung mga stress.
Anong ginagawa mo to unburden yourself with dun sa routine ng trabaho?
Akyat bundok po.
Oh, like that. Ako din naman. Anyways, ba't tayo magkausap ngayon?
Gusto ko lang po sanang humingi ng payo because I'm hurting right now because of this girl, office mate of mine. We are working with the same industry. Yes, nagsimula po ito 4 months na. We've been working for so long, and then nagparamdam po ako sa kanya. She's okay with it. Na-open up niya yung buhay niya sa akin at the same time po ako sa kanya.
Sorry you're breaking up, no? Hindi kita na maintindihan. Oo.
Ayun po.
Nagparamdam ka sa kanya, tapos she's okay naman with it.
She's okay with it naman po.
Mm-hmm.
And then after 2 months of working, bigla na lang siyang and then hindi ko alam kung ano yung...
Sorry na putol. Bigla na lang siyang naging elepante. Ano yan? Hindi ko marinig eh.
Bigla na lang po siyang nanahimik.
Ano po? Bigla siya naging anong pek? Ano yun?
Bigla po siyang nanahimik.
Nanahimik?
Apo.
Sorry. Narinig ko lang bigla siya naging tong yung pek. Ha? Anong pek? After 2 months ka naliligaw, bigla siyang parang naging distant. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. Parang
okay.
naging distant na po siya. And then, pag nagkakasalubong kami, okay naman. Nag-smile siya. And then, nag-offeran kami ng pagkain. And lumapit sa akin yung friend ko. Tinanong kami kung kumusta naman. Sabi ko, okay naman. And nabalitaan siya of other guy, my boyfriend.
Sorry pare, oo. Naka-handheld ka na ba?
Opo.
Pero nasa loob ka ng ref.
Hindi po.
Hindi. Hindi. We are only hearing maybe around 70% of what you're saying and we are missing the 30%. Ang malapit na part, yung 30% na hindi namin naririnig, yun yung crucial. Tiyan mo kanina, ang narinig ko bigla na lang po siyang pek. Sabi ko, anong pek? Kailangan mabuo yan kasi parang iba eh. Alright.
About this one po.
Ha?
How about this?
Nagigulang kami. Ay, okay na, better na. Sige, itatawid natin yan. Okay, sige. Tira, laban. Game.
2 months of courting and then suddenly changes has come and naging distance sa akin. Sabi ng friend ko, ng office mate ko, sabi niya, nabalitaan mo naman na may kasasagot lang na other guy.
May sinagot na ibang lalaki.
Yeah.
So may kasabay ka pala ng liligaw.
Yeah.
Oo.
But the thing is, sinabi daw niya sa friend ko na nahihiya sa akin sabihin because she also has that feeling for me. Ang sa akin lang, sana sinabi niya ng maaga. Kasi alam mo yun, na-fall ka na. Na-fall ka na lahat and lahat ng green flag sa kanya. Hindi ko lang maintindihan kung ano yung hindi niya ma-open up sa akin despite of everything na nagawa namin na maging masaya for that courting moments. Ang nahihirapan kasi ako ngayon is each time na nagkikita kami, alam mo yun, yung sweet smile and then kakausapin niya ako, kumusta ka na? And namimiss ko yung banding natin. That's the hardest part na marinig kasi from her. Now, my question is, aasa pa ba ako?
Hindi na. May boyfriend na, di ba? Ba't ka aasa?
I want to be with her kasi
she has no obligation to explain herself to you. If she treats you okay or she treats you nice, if she treats you good, di ba? Be thankful about it. She has no obligation to you. She does not owe you anything.
Mm-hmm.
As a matter of fact, bilang respeto sa kapwa lalaki, layuan mo siya kasi may boyfriend na siya.
Yeah, I do understand.
Wala siyang atraso sa iyo.
Yeah, I do understand naman, Papa Jack. The thing is, sinabi niya din kanina, an hour ago, na don't lose hope. Yun yung hindi ko
wala na yan. Hindi rin naman para maging backup plan ka ng kahit sino. Pero maliwanag, no? Look, ganito na. Pag naniligaw tayo, our feelings bilang lalaki, yung nararamdaman natin, does not matter. Kasi parang audition yan natin sa buhay nila eh. You are trying to vie. We're vying the spot to be in their life. And it's their birth-given right to choose pag sila niligawan.
Yeah. Because at this age, alam mo yun, after how many years of moving on from my past, she's the one na change everything sa buhay ko.
And your point?
Yeah. My point is, I don't know what to do.
Well,
I really don't know what to do.
Accept. Ano mga gawin mo? Accept, maliban sa accept.
Yeah, I understand naman po na we can accept. Pero, ano mo yun?
I know it's difficult. Of course, it's difficult. Diba? Difficult talaga yun. But, wala kang choice. Nanligaw ka, hindi obligasyon sagutin tayo pag nanligaw tayo. Yung sinabi niya, don't lose hope, maybe just as being nice. Diba? Maybe that's just pure niceties. Alam mo kung anong kahulugan ng niceties?
Yeah.
Ano? Yaya ka sa akin, baka hindi mo alam ha.
Wala kasi ako headset.
Ano ka? Huwag mo ako niyayaya. Anong kahulugan ng niceties?
Can you tell me lang kasi?
Hindi. No. Nagya ka. Huwag mo ako niyayaya dyan. Anong kahulugan ng niceties? Ha?
Niceties? Ano?
Okay.
Parang trinato ka lang niya. Ang naayon sa gusto niya. Hindi, just being nice.
Actually, hindi ko din alam eh. Hanapin ko lang. Ano ba spell niceties? Niceties. Yan. Niceties. Yan. Nice. Iba naman to. Niceties, a minor aspect of polite social behavior, a detail of etiquette. Yan. Galing. Meron kayo mga natutunan sa atin. Ano? That's called niceties. Kumbaga, ano ba? Sige, in layman's term, she's just being nice to you. Not because she likes you.
Yeah.
Yun na lang yun. She does not owe you anything. Now, this may be an extreme advice for you, but I'd tell you anyway.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Mag-resign ka ng trabaho mo. Lipat ka. That's the risk eh. Nung niligaw mo yung katrabaho mo, that's the risk. Yun ang risk nun that you took on. Pag di ka siya nagot, alam mo na you'll never go back to just being friends. Awkward na yun. But willingly, niligawan mo pa rin siya. Tama, mali?
Yeah.
There you go.
Kasi sabi nga nung team leader ko, last time na nanggaling kami sa Antipolo, sabi niya, ano nangyari sa inyong dalawa? Ang sweet-sweet niyo dati. And it's affecting your scores. It has affected everything.
It has affected everything. That's not wise. Alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit po?
Because you are there to work. Regardless of your pain, regardless whether you are brokenhearted, regardless of what you feel, you're having a bad day, you don't have electricity at home, you are expected to deliver. So it's your boss's way of saying, performance mo, lumalaga pa ka.
Takot lang siguro. Ginawa mo naman lahat. Ginawa mo lahat. Hindi ko naman siya sinusumbat na higit yung pagmamahal ko is nag-grow na nag-grow eh. Ang hirap na yun, sobrang na-attach ka. Papa Jack, na-attach kasi ako eh. Hindi ako nagtira sa sarili ko eh. Alam mo yun, nanggap mo. Nanggap mo dahil single mom siya. Tinanggap mo lahat at hindi ko naman sa sinusumpan. Sa akin lang dapat sinabi na maaga. Sorry, Papa Jack. Wala akong mapaglabasan eh.
It's okay. I understand you.
Gusto ko lang naman magmahal.
Hindi ko narinig yun. Naputol. Ang narinig ko, gusto ko na magpaka-kot. Ganun. Ano yun?
Gusto ko lang naman magmahal. Gusto ko iparamdam kung gaano ako pa karesponsable. Nanigyan lahat. Papa Jack. I'm sorry if I cried like this right now.
It's okay. I mean, we cannot take it against you if you feel the way you feel now. Thank you for listening, Papa Jack. It's sorry for me. Thank you, Papa Jack. What were you trying to achieve nung tinawagan mo ako? Ha?
I'm trying to get the best way. How can I surpass this?
Ano yan? Sorry, hindi ko naintindihan. Ano yan?
I'm trying to get or ask how can I surpass this, the pain that I have every night.
Don't be selfish. Nung niligawan mo siya, I'd like to think that a part of what your intention was is for her to be happy. Tama?
And ayaw ko na masira pa buhay.
I'm asking you a question. I'm asking you a question.
Yes.
You wanted her to be happy. It just so happened, unfortunately for you, her happiness does not involve having you in her life. I mean, if you're really man enough, you'll be happy for her, regardless of her choices. Hindi ikaw yung happiness niya eh. It's okay to be sad. Normal yan eh. Diba? But you cannot, hindi kita iniinsulto ha, but you cannot have this attitude to a point that she might feel bad having to have gotten to know you. Kasi parang ang dating, parang kasalanan pa niya na kinilala ka niya eh. Eh hindi niya nga, hanggang doon lang nga kaya niya ibigay eh. Hanggang doon lang kaya niya ibigay. She couldn't give you any more than that. But she tried. Diba? At ang totoo niyan, kinento mo naman to, tinry naman niya. Tama mali? Tinry naman niya. She tried to get to know you. But she couldn't go all the way. She just didn't have it. Tama mali?
Tama po.
Exactly. So you have to respect that. I know you're broken-hearted, but at some point in this conversation, I think you at the very least you gotta hear the truth.
Yeah.
And the truth is, may kasabay ka ng ligaw, sinagot niya yun. Hindi ko yung pinili niya. She tried. She tried to get to know you. She got to know you.
I do understand.
Yeah, naintindihan kita, kuya. Kaya lang hindi naman pa pwedeng, ayan lang kitang umiyak without, di ba? Ganun talaga. Tayo mga lalaki, ito na, bilang babarakuhin na kita sa magiging payo ko sa'yo, tayo mga lalaki, yan yung risk natin. Pag nanligaw tayo, para nag-audition. We are at the mercy of the woman we are trying to court. We are at her mercy. Anong sabi ng narcissist yung babae? Gonggong. Sabi mo dyan. Comment ang comment. Comment ang hindi nyo naintindihan kino-comment nyo. Ito mangmang mag-comment tong gonggong na to.
One thing more, Papa Joe.
Ano yan?
Ang pinakamasakit lang kasi yung pinakita sa kanila sa parents.
Ano na?
Yung pinakilala niya ako sa parents.
Well, maybe that's her upbringing. Baka yung upbringing niya. O, naliligaw ka, pinakilala ka. Maybe sa kanyang decision making, kasama yung magulang niya. You cannot question that. And you cannot take it against that. You cannot take that against her. Hindi mo siya pwedeng puwersahin, Brad. Nanliligaw ka. Hanggang tuloy yung Facebook natin. Diba? Nanliligaw ka.
Yung paper niya mo sa akin, Papa, ihahatid ko pa. Nag-paper kasi siya kanina eh.
Alin?
Hinatid ko raw siya pa uwi.
Well, if it's a torture to you, di ba may boyfriend na siya? Tama?
Opo.
Tama?
Opo.
Oh, wag ka na maghatid. May boyfriend na eh. Hindi na tama yun. Lumayo ka na sa kanya. You shouldn't be a part of her universe. Diba? Lumayo ka na. You shouldn't be a part of her universe. Lumayo ka sa kanya. Dapat nga hindi mo na siya kinakausap eh.
Salamat.
Dapat di mo siya kinakausap kasi nga ikaw yung boyfriend, gusto mo ba kinakausap pa rin ng jowa mo yung nanligaw sa kanya?
Hindi po.
O, di ibigay mo rin yung respect sa ibang lalaki.
Salamat po.
Salamat saan?
Salamat for all the advices. Sa akin na kasi pag-apig ko na siguro. Ang hirap lang kasi mag-move forward nang wala nang wala man lang final word from her.
Wala, look Brad, no? She doesn't owe you anything. Tigilan mo yan. You are not supposed to expect anything from her. Manliligaw ka lang. She does not owe you anything. Not one bit. Not one bit. Yan yung hindi ka bahagi ng buhay niya. Nag-audition ka sa buhay niya. Yan ang panliligaw. That's audition eh. Okay? Layuan mo na siya. Give that respect to the other guy.
Hindi po.
Mag-resign ka na. Tama yung mga comment nila dito. Change environment. Mag-resign ka na. Change your environment. Okay?
Thank you po.
Well, if there's one thing that happened that's good that happened to, ngayong araw na to, that is that nalaman natin na pag nagmahal ka ng totoo. That's good. One day the right person will come along. Maybe not her.
Papa Chow?
Yes?
Salamat po. Papasok na ako. Over-lunch na ako.
Sige ha. Anyways, pagbutihan mo ha. Nandiyan ka para mag-work. Hindi para mag-drama. Dahil yung katotohanan ha. Huwag mo kaya maapektuhan pa rin trabaho mo. Hanap buhay yan.
Salamat.
Okay? Okay?
Okay po.
Okay, anyways. Thank you po. Salamat.